Hello Raider Nation, this is Duntov. Today I'm at the new Raiders headquarters. It is Saturday, April 11th, 2020. So right now I am on the north side. So this is the side that looks the most finished. So we got some guys working underneath this porte-cochere. Maybe. I was wrong. There's nobody on that. Good optical illusion. It looks like it's just parked there and not using it. So it is a Saturday, so I'm not sure how many people are here working. I did see some workers here. And we got this driving up. We can find it. Here it comes. So the food truck's here. So somebody's eating. Alright, if we look up at the front of the field house, this is where they got the regular glass. This little piece. Somebody's in there working on something. There's a couple people. They're probably on a lift. There you can see they're on the lift. And then down below, over here. On the viewfinder, it appears like that's an open door, but I can't tell because of the sun. But if I had to guess, I'd say it is. Can't see much. Alright, then we got a few guys working on the back of the field house. They're doing something up on the lift. Just start getting windy out here. Down at my house it was nice. He's just putting some finishing touches on the trim, it looks like. And then so he's right in the back. This is where I was showing in those garage doors over there. It had those big green things. So they got that all closed up, and then this is all these pipes that we were showing last time. So I'm assuming they will enclose that area also. Alright, so the main reason I came out here, I want to see if they started doing anything with the outdoor fields. So that's on the other side of the building. That'd be the south side of the building. So we're gonna head down that way and check that out. And then along the way we'll see what else is being done. Alright, we just moved over to this would be the northeast corner. This is, the front corner. So everything looks about the same since the last time I was here also. Doesn't seem like they did. Or it looks like the front entrance, I don't remember seeing. You can see how they got that orange, like they did around the doors for the entrance. I don't remember seeing that. So that might be new. They cleaned up a lot of this front area though. A lot of these big crates are gone. And you can see they got a lot of this gravel and stuff like this here, so I don't know if there's, if it's like aggregate, they're just spreading it around. Maybe gonna get ready to start paving. If I pan around towards the front, you can see down here, they're actually, they got this whole area. They got a lot of the curbing in. So they might be getting, you know, ready to pave all this area. Looks like we might have some of the equipment right over here, actually. So we'll walk down. I'm gonna walk down right along the street here. I could get a little closer shot and we'll go see what they're doing. I know they were working on putting up the little block walls along the main road. So we'll see if they finished any of that. Okay, we are now in the front, and again you can see it has the address on there now, 1475 Executive Airport Drive, Henderson, Nevada. If we look at the side corner of the field house right here, so they still got them brackets sticking out. Waiting to see what they're gonna put up over here. In the front of the building, there's even this other door here, which, you know, blends in with the glass from far away. So, and then you got this main entrance right there. I don't think we can really see anything inside. Let's see if it catches. Oh yeah, we're starting to put like, it's kind of hard to see. And then underneath this drive-up cover, I think it's pretty cool the way the finish they got under there. Good. Okay, I still don't see anything in the front here where they're gonna put the torch. And then you can see right here they got it all. They're still getting forms up to get, you know, put curbing and stuff. But if we look down this way, they got a lot of the block walls in. You can see they still got rebar and stuff on top, so I don't know if they're gonna make it taller or if it's gonna be like some kind of like maybe a regular fencing going in or lights. But if we look all the way down, so it's pretty much the same way. Like there's not really any activity going on outside today. Okay, I'm gonna go over to that south side. We're gonna check out, see if we could see anything happening with the fields. Okay, I'm now on the south side. So this is the side with the 3 outdoor fields. I'm going to show the field house. We can see a lot more of the panels are going up, and they're also starting to put these like window things over here that go down there. So they don't have too much more to go. Just this little section right here. I'm going to zoom in and try to see if we could see anything through those on the inside. Nope, too dark. So I know them guys were working inside on the one when we looked through the one window. On the viewfinder, I can't make anything out. Okay, so if we look at the field area, we got these guys, or you can see this blue, we got this blue thing rolled. I don't know if we can't tell what it is, if it's just like something like on the fence to block it, or if it's like something rolled up. I can't make it out. So right now it's probably about 65, but you can see a lot of the heat coming up off the ground right now when I zoomed in. It's about 11:15 in the morning, so it might even be lunchtime. No, it looks like they're spreading something out. Alright, but right next to this blue thing, then this is the field area. Kind of looks like they got a new layer. I'm not 100% sure, but remember last time I was here, they had some equipment like spreading, like leveling it out better, the ground, but I'm not sure if this is the same covering they had or not. So now this crane though appears to be on it also, so they might be waiting to put grass in until they got this big crane out of here also, so I don't know. Then you can see where it has all these white marker things sticking up. That's right next to where they have the sprinklers. So they just have those in there to mark off where all the sprinklers are. I'm just zooming in anything different, just trying to see if we could figure out, you know, what they have out there. There is one person out here. Alright, so you can see actually it looks like they're starting to put up the block wall, because that we got these blocks here. So if we look right behind them, you can see they're actually getting the wall going up. There's a guy there. So I'm sure they're gonna have a wall all the way around to block people like me trying to look in. Hopefully they let us go in there to watch the practice. And then this one, are those fence posts there? I can't tell right now. Looks like they might be, so you can see how high they're gonna be. So even with me, I'm standing on a big mound. It would block all that, so you can't be spying in on them practicing. And then this is the big hill that's right next to it. That has like a new ground covering on it. It wasn't that light material like that. It was more just the regular dirt still. And then I don't remember seeing the block wall up over here before either. So this is right on the end of the field house. You can see the main building there. So this would be the building that's supposedly going to have all the equipment to maintain the fields and the whole place. So we're going to try to look inside some of these garage doors again. So right where those lifts are, that's where the swimming pool is going to be. And then this is the training facility and the locker rooms. Excuse me. So we're gonna. So I don't really see anything. Just work equipment. Okay, I got my camera zoomed all the way back out. I'm gonna do my view of the stadium from here. So it is north of here, 12 or 13 miles away. Also today, they're gonna have the Thunderbirds. They're based in Las Vegas at Nellis Air Force Base. So their Thunderbirds are gonna fly around the whole city today. They're gonna be here at 2:30 this afternoon, where they're gonna just fly over all the different hospitals and all around the city to thank all the doctors and nurses and first responders, you know, everybody dealing with this virus. So I'm still trying to figure out, they have a map. It doesn't appear like it's gonna fly over the stadium, so I might go to the Strip and try to film it, because I think they're gonna fly straight down Las Vegas Boulevard or above it. So we'll have to figure that out. I'll post that later today or tomorrow. Okay, so there's the stadium. I'll keep zooming in. All right, there's the Eastside Legion Stadium sign. You can see a lot of the radiant heat coming up off the ground. All right, I'm sure it's not really clear on the viewfinder. I can't tell right now, but the ETFE roof, they did start it on the south end. Viewfinder, it looks like I might be seeing a little bit of it on the corner here. So that should be moving quick, because that south end area that needs done isn't that big compared to everything else they already finished. So hopefully they get that going in pretty soon. And then this all over here would be like the south end of it. This is the side the field will slide out on. Okay, I'm gonna zoom out. There you go. All right, I'm gonna go to, I'll go like in the front. There's some parking area in front. It'll be like on the southeast side, so we could kind of look down that way, and I'll be able to see more of the field area that way. So I'm gonna head over there now. Okay, I'm now back at the front of the building on the southeast corner. So the main thing is you can see all this block they put all the way down. Looks pretty good. It's gray, but we're gonna say it's the silver. So they got that going all the way. And then when I was on the other side, when I was on the, that would be the northeast side. So I walked down, because there's no sidewalk over there to walk, and you can see security sitting in the car. But the other one, I was standing right over here next to this black fencing over there. So I actually go park. You got them big white warehouses right there. That's where I go park when I get that north view. Okay, so we got the blocks up. Not sure how long. That was a nice wide body Hellcat just drove by. Sounded pretty mean. Alright, so the building, nothing changed. I don't know if anyone's here working or not. It kind of looks like the crane might be moving right now. No, I think it was the wind blowing it around, maybe. So I don't know if they're hanging panels right now. I don't see anyone around, but so I would think those panels right there, maybe another 2 weeks max, those should be installed. And then they still, you can see they, remember they put all these white stripes in between. And then from here I actually can see they got another, they're gonna mount some other kind of sign right there. Looks about the same as the one on the other corner that I zoomed in on. So we'll see what kind of, you know, what it's going to be, if it's just a logo for the, remember it's called Intermountain Healthcare Physical, I think Physical or something like that Center. The physical part I think is wrong. I know it's something physical something, but that'll be going there. Okay, we still have the temporary office buildings here. Don't know how much longer they'll be on property, being this place is supposed to be done in less than 2 months. And then if we swing over, and we got some trucks. I think this Hellas, I think it's the ones doing the grass. I could be wrong, but I thought they used to have a sign up that had them. So they might be the ones putting all the system in, you know, sprinklers and getting everything ready for the grass. And then you could see the filled area in the background there. And if anyone knows what's underneath this blue tarp looking thing, leave us a comment. Okay, then all the way down the side here, well, you can see they got the blacktop going around the fields, but then on this side you can see the block wall, and then it's going to have a high fence going all the way down that side. So I guess really the only way to, if you wanted to see over practice, you got to be able to have access to the roof of the bread company, or we just got to go in and watch it when they let us in. Okay, so no grass yet. It's a beautiful day. No one's really working outside. So if you're not subscribed and you'd like to keep getting updates on this place as well as the stadium, please subscribe to my channel, Raiders 1967. So Raider Nation, I'd like to thank everyone for watching, and stay safe, and I'll talk to you guys next time.